guys, welcome back to my channel. For all of you who are new, I'm Tanya. I came to Canada as an international student and now I'm working over here. So guys, I know studying abroad is a very expensive process and यहाँ पे आकर भी expenses ख़त्म नहीं होते, it just keeps going, which is why one of the most common questions that I get from you guys is what are the expenses of staying in Canada and also what are the ways in which you can save some money while staying here. So since I stay in Toronto, I know how expensive it is over here. I can completely agree that बहुत expensive है. But there are some ways in which you can save money here in Canada. So we're going to be talking about those today. For people who want to know how expensive it is staying in Toronto, I already have a video about that. You can check it out over here. Now let's get into how to save some money. So number one, and I know this might seem very obvious, but it is very important, is to avoid eating outside as much as you can. Eating outside is very expensive. It might seem कि बहुत easy way है ये, but काफ़ी expensive हो जाता है. And if it becomes a habit, then you want to do it again and again. So शुरू से try कीजिए कि you eat less outside. At a basic place like a McDonald's, अगर आपको एक नॉर्मल सा लंच या डिनर करना होगा वो आपको अराउंड $5 to $10 कॉस्ट करेगा. And if you're going to a fancy place, then it could range from $15, $20, $25 depending on how fancy the place is. So try to eat less outside and आप घर पे कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें रखिए हमेशा. Have a few go-to meals that you can have when you're super hungry. Like for me, it was always, I used to have my fridge stocked up with eggs so I could eat that, and I also had Maggie. Not saying कि Maggie बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है रोज़ खाना, but when I didn't have anything else, I could eat that. So have your fridge stocked up, have some things at home which you can quickly make ताकि आपको बार बार बाहर खाने का मन ना करे. Now, since you will be cooking at home most of the times, that brings me to point number 2, which is your groceries. So you need to do your groceries really wisely and you need to compare prices and get the cheapest one that you can. So एक चीज़ जो इंडिया में होती है which was MRP, मैक्स रिटेल प्राइस, मतलब इस प्राइस पे हर चीज़ बिकेगी. तो आपको पता है कि अगर ये ब्रेड का पैकेट है तो ये इतने का ही इस स्टोर में भी मिलेगा और दूसरे स्टोर में भी उतने का ही मिलेगा. अनफॉर्चुनेटली कनाडा में ये नहीं होता. देयर आर नो MRPs. सो हर स्टोर में वो सेम चीज़ अलग प्राइस की मिलेगी. सो इफ़ यू गो टू अ प्रीमियम स्टोर तो वही चीज़ आपको शायद $5 की मिलेगी एंड एट अ बेसिक स्टोर लाइक नो फ्रिल्स यू विल गेट इट फॉर $2. सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल दैट यू गोइंग टू अ स्टोर जहाँ पे प्राइजेस रीजनेबल हो. इनिशियली आपको कन्फ्यूजन होगी कि कौन से स्टोर जाना चाहिए. सो फॉर मी, नो फ्रिल्स एंड वॉलमार्ट आर माई गो टू प्लेसेस. दे हैव एवरीथिंग दैट यू नीड, इवन समटाइम्स अ फ्यू इंडियन थिंग्स, and their costs are really reasonable. Along with that, even उन stores में हर दिन उस चीज़ का प्राइस चेंज होता रहता है. सो जब सेल होगी तो आपको वही $5 की चीज़ शायद $1 में भी मिल जाए. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू चेक फ्लायर्स. नाउ फ्लायर्स आर लाइक अ वीकली पैम्फलेट जो आपको स्टोर से भी मिलता है. सो आपके फ़ोन में भी वो ऑनलाइन आ जाता है. सो दैट फ्लायर टेल्स यू कि कौन सी चीज़ डिस्काउंट पे है and you can use that to stock up. So you just buy it when it's on sale ताकि you can use it for a long time and you don't need to buy it when it's on regular price. So another great thing that Canada does is price matching. So a lot of stores have a price match option. तो इसका मतलब है कि if you have a bag of avocados which are selling at No Frills for $5 but Walmart has them on sale for $2, you can go to No Frills and tell them, show them a picture of Walmart's flyer and be like, I need them for $2 because they are in Walmart for this price. So you can definitely do that and save some money. Now this can be a little difficult क्योंकि आप हर बार हर flyer check करोगे तो it could be a little tricky. So there's one app that does it which is called the Flip app. I will link it down. You can use it if you want. And this way also you can save some money. Another thing that I like doing is sticking to a list. So before going to the store, I create a list of things that I need and I make sure that I only get those things because grocery stores are really big over here and they have a lot of tempting things. So it is very easy to get distracted. So you need to stick to a list and just buy things that you need, at least initially जब आपके पास एक strict budget है. Later on you can start expanding, trying new things. Number 3. Always go for a bank account that charges no service fee. Usually, bank accounts in Canada charge you $15 to $20 per month just to have an account open with them. If you are a student in Canada, then as soon as you graduate, you will have to pay that amount because your student bank account will expire. Now imagine saving $15 to $20 per month. It is a huge amount. So I have a solution for you to save that amount. Innovation Credit Union is a credit union that lets you make a bank account with no service fee at all. Along with that, they have credit cards with great cashback options. So you could save up to $360 Canadian dollars per year. Now $360 Canadian dollars would be close to 21 to 22,000 Indian rupees. This is a huge amount, guys. Along with that, they also give you $300 sign-up bonus when you open an account with them. So guys, this is a great chance to save a lot of money and you should really check them out. I'm going to link them down in my description too, so check them out. Along with that, they also provide loans, scholarships and grants. So guys, you should really check them out. Their link is going to be in my description. Number 4. Buy used furniture. So when you're coming to a new country, you will have to first invest in basic furniture like a bed, a table, maybe a chair. And Canada में mostly घर जो होते हैं वो unfurnished होते हैं. So you would have to invest in these things. But these things might seem a little expensive. For example, buying a basic mattress from an IKEA or a regular furniture store could cost you around 100 to 200 Canadian dollars. Now ऐसे ही 2-3 furniture के pieces लेना could be very expensive. So my suggestion to you would be buy used furniture. Used furniture is much more cheaper and काफ़ी time आपको something as close as brand new मिल जाता है at a really cheap cost. So this is a great way to save some money and initially as a student एक साल के लिए आप थोड़ा adjust कर सकते हो and when you start earning you can buy new and trendy stuff the way you like it. But पहले एक साल के लिए तो I feel like buying used furniture is a really great idea. Along with that, one thing that happens in Canada is बहुत सारे लोग जब नई चीज़ें खरीदते हैं, now यहाँ पे भंगार वाले नहीं होते. तो जब आप कोई नई चीज़ खरीदते हो, you want to get rid of the old thing, so they just put it outside their door on the street and it is up for grabs for anyone else who wants to use it. So ऐसे ही बहुत बार आप जहाँ रहते हो आपके लेन में आपको ऑलमोस्ट ब्रांड न्यू चीज़ें दिखेंगी एंड यू कैन फील फ्री टू पिक इट अप. जस्ट गाइस चेक कि वो चीज़ ठीक तो है, डजंट हैव एनी बग्स और एनीथिंग. इफ़ यू कैन देन आस्क द पर्सन हु स्टेज इन द हाउस कि what is the reason that you have thrown away this thing, and they might just say that we got something new, we didn't have space in our house. And if that's the case, then just take it. Along with furniture, आपको थोड़ी सी home accessories भी चाहिए होंगी, जैसे plates, cups, spoons, chopping board. That leads to my point number 5, which is buy these home accessories from Dollarama. So Dollarama is one of the cheapest stores that you will find here in Canada. And यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें बहुत cheap price पे मिल जाएगी. You will get fancy cups for $1 or $2, nice glass plates for $1. So ये चीज़ें आपको इंडिया से भर के लाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can just buy it from Dollarama. And a lot of times उसको देख के आपको लगेगा भी नहीं कि वो $1 या $2 की है. So if you go to a fancy store, आपको थोड़ा expensive पड़ेगा. So just buy like these house things from Dollarama. The best part about this place is कि the highest price of anything sold in Dollarama is $4. So anything that you like from there is less than $4. So you can splurge over there a little if you want, and फिर भी आपका bill ज़्यादा नहीं बनेगा. So guys, these are my 5 points that you can use to save money here in Canada. And guys, although it is expensive to stay here, once you get a part-time job, along with that you also have your GIC which comes in monthly. So it is doable. Don't worry, you do great. And guys, hope this video was informational and helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys again soon. Till then, bye.